testing DC voltage, so I'm turning the dial to about 200 because I've been finding 24 to 28 volts. Problem I had yesterday was with this switch right here. It's got 3 terminals on it, one of which has 29 volts. The middle of which has 0, and the outside has 0. I'm shorting the 2. I hear the relay click here. It's the only one that vibrates out of the 4. This switch here is 27 volts. And also triggers this relay. But triggering that relay does not give us any LED display. Any activity on the display. This next switch, there's 27 volts, 29 on the center peg, 29 on the outer peg. That tells me that's already a closed circuit there. Next switch, 28 volts in the out peg, 0 on the center, and 0 on the out peg. Shorting these two does not change any activity whatsoever. Circuit Q103. Next switch, 28.5, 29.6, 29.6. It's already a closed circuit. Now this switch here, Q105, turns on the door motor. Door lock. The next switch outside first peg is 29, middle peg is 29, outside peg is 26. That tells us that's a closed circuit. Some of these other resistors and diodes don't have power on either side, but that could be because the switch is open and the circuit is not getting power. So I do question these resistors that have power on one side and no power on the other. Power on one side, no power on the other. My little bit of technology does not explain that as any different than a bad resistor or diode. You got power here on one side. When you put power to the other side, get a spark, which means something in that circuit is shorted out, or it's just not right. The next panel has a lot more switches, but I'm not ready to get to them yet. Kind of want the schematic so I can stay away from the things that work and just fiddle with the things that don't. We'll see how it goes here.